Ta-da! Biggest box for the smallest dessert.
Oh yeah, that's good.
It's a bit cold here, but I just have to keep moving. Away from the square, everything slows down. Narrow streets, older buildings, and a much calmer rhythm. Dinner was at a small, hip spot that felt very local. Cozy, relaxed, and exactly the kind of place you want to sit for a while. A place you feel immediately comfortable. Portions in Slovenia are never small. You will not leave hungry. Walking along the river, you see so many pretty sights. The castle lit up above makes it feel so special. Cold, clear, and a fitting place to end the night. Thanks for coming on this little walk with me. I'll see you in the next one.